Our analog plug-and-play Dante adapters just got a facelift with a new chassis and design, offering either outputs or inputs of 2 channels of analog line-level audio to your Dante network. They support sample rates up to 96 kHz, using Audinate's original Dante Ultimo chip. Featuring 2 female or male XLR standard connectors, the AU-X2I-DA and AU-X2O-DA are simple and cost-efficient solutions to connect analog equipment to a Dante network. PoE support allows for a simplified installation via a PoE-capable network switch or from a separate PoE injector. Features: plug and play, 2 line inputs or outputs on standard XLR connectors. Dante and AES67 support, 24-bit audio, supports 802.3 AF-PoE, compatible with Dante Controller and Dante Domain Manager. AV designed in Scandinavia.